Imagine a time long ago before the dinosaurs when all the land on Earth was united. This was the age of Pangaea, a supercontinent so vast that a single creature could have walked from pole to pole. Pangaea, surrounded by a single enormous ocean, basked under a unified sun. The climate was likely much hotter than today, with vast deserts stretching across the interior. Life was different then, with early reptiles and amphibians dominating the landscape. This supercontinent, however, was not to last. Deep within the Earth, tectonic plates, the massive slabs of rock that make up our planet's crust, were shifting. These shifts, driven by the immense heat of the Earth's core, exerted unimaginable pressure on Pangaea. The once unified landmass began to crack and groan under the strain. Volcanoes erupted, spewing molten rock and ash into the atmosphere. Earthquakes shook the ground, creating deep fissures in the supercontinent's surface. This marked the beginning of the end for Pangaea. The stage was set for millions of years of dramatic change, a continental dance that would reshape the face of our planet. The first sign of Pangaea's impending breakup was a colossal rift that sliced through the supercontinent. This rift, a deep chasm in the Earth's crust, stretched for thousands of miles. Molten rock from deep within the Earth surged upwards, forcing the land on either side of the rift further apart. This marked the birth of a new ocean, the Tethys Sea. It began as a narrow inlet but would eventually grow to divide the world. As the rift widened, it split Pangaea into two gigantic landmasses, Gondwana to the south and Laurasia to the north. These two behemoths, though still connected, were now on divergent paths destined to drift further apart over millions of years. The breakup of Pangaea was a slow and gradual process, taking millions of years to unfold. However, its impact on the planet was profound. It altered ocean currents, reshaped climates, and triggered the evolution of new life forms as habitats shifted and continents drifted apart. This was a time of great upheaval and change, a pivotal chapter in our planet's history. As the Jurassic period dawned, Gondwana and Laurasia continued their slow drift across the globe. Gondwana, comprising what would become South America, Africa, India, Australia, and Antarctica, began to break apart. India, in particular, embarked on a solitary journey northward, destined for a dramatic collision with Asia. This movement opened up new seaways and changed the patterns of ocean currents, impacting global climates. Laurasia, consisting of present-day North America, Europe, and Asia, also experienced significant change. The Tethys Sea, which separated Laurasia from Gondwana, continued to widen. Over millions of years, this body of water would evolve into the Atlantic Ocean, destined to become one of the largest and most influential oceans on Earth. The Jurassic period witnessed the reign of the dinosaurs, creatures that thrived in the warm, humid climates that prevailed across much of the globe. The breakup of Pangaea and the subsequent continental drift played a crucial role in the evolution and diversification of life during this era. Section 4. The Atlantic widens, India journeys north. The separation of the Americas from Europe and Africa marked a dramatic turning point in Earth's history. The Atlantic Ocean, once a narrow sea, steadily expanded, driven by the relentless forces of plate tectonics. This new ocean acted as a barrier, separating populations of plants and animals and leading to the evolution of distinct species on different continents. As the Atlantic widened, India continued its relentless northward journey, steadily approaching Asia. Millions of years of this slow-motion collision began to have a profound impact. The ocean floor between the two landmasses buckled, folded, and was forced upwards. This titanic clash of continents gave rise to a spectacular geological feature: the Himalayan mountain range. The Himalayas, towering above the surrounding landscape, are a testament to the immense power of plate tectonics. Their formation dramatically altered weather patterns in Asia, influencing the monsoon cycle that is crucial to the lives of billions of people today. This period of intense geological activity had a profound impact on Earth's climate and environment. The stage was set for the emergence of the modern world. Section 5. Shaping the modern world. As continents continued their slow dance across the globe, Earth began to resemble the planet we know today. Antarctica, once connected to South America, drifted southward to its current isolated position at the South Pole. As temperatures cooled, a massive ice sheet began to form, covering the continent in a thick blanket of ice. This event had a profound impact on Earth's climate, contributing to the global cooling trend that continues to this day. The other continents continued to drift, albeit at a slower pace. The Pacific Ocean, the largest and oldest of Earth's oceans, gradually shrank as the Americas moved westward, a process that continues to this day. The collision of Africa with Europe gave rise to the Alps, another majestic mountain range that dominates the European landscape. These geological upheavals, spanning millions of years, sculpted the continents and oceans we see today. They shaped our planet's climate, influenced the evolution of life, and continue to shape our world today. Section 6. A continuously changing Earth. The journey from Pangaea to the present-day configuration of continents is a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet. Earth's continents are in constant motion, albeit at a pace that is imperceptible to us. The forces of plate tectonics, driven by the heat deep within our planet, continue to shape and reshape the Earth's surface. While we may not witness the dramatic continental drift that characterized Earth's early history, the legacy of these ancient events is all around us. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, we are reminded of the immense power of geological forces. These forces have shaped our planet's history and continue to influence the world we live in today. The breakup of Pangaea is not just a story of the distant past. It is a reminder that our planet is a dynamic and ever-changing place. The continents will continue to drift, climates will fluctuate, and life will adapt. Understanding our planet's history is crucial to comprehending the forces that shape our world and to preparing for the changes that lie ahead.